Game-ready drivers are updated more often than studio-ready drivers. This is because new games are constantly coming out. So, more frequent updates are needed to make sure that the driver provides the best performance for the latest game titles. But unlike games, creative software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Blender, and Unreal Engine can be updated gradually over time. So because of that, studio drivers don't need to be updated as often. Game-ready drivers are best for gamers, and studio drivers are best for creative professionals. Now, in case you've been wondering, yes, and yes, you can absolutely game with studio-ready drivers. And you can comfortably use creative applications with game-ready drivers. In the end of the day, the core architecture and the hardware are the same. Now, if you are a hybrid user who does both gaming and use creative software, then consider using the studio-ready drivers. The reason is because they focus more on stability, which is great for your apps. And also, if your GPU is powerful enough, you may not even notice the slight drop in performance. So definitely, for more videos like this, subscribe and thanks for watching.